Hello guys, welcome back. See you again in another video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be eating this nice little rotisserie chicken right here. Okay, and I'm not gonna act too crazy or be too loud because as you guys can see, my windows are right there. And I don't want anybody seeing me do this, okay? Got a lot of family in there. So, it's hard to resist. But I have to try and act more normal. Alright. So we're gonna get some yuca chips. Probably can't read it because you're blind. And some lemon pepper flavored chicken. Good stuff, guys. As for the chicken, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rip this bad boy off just like that, and then just I'm not trying to die now. All right. Let's get another one of these bad boys. Okay. Oh yeah. There's a little. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. You know, guys. Here goes second leg. Down the hatch. Oh. See how my jaw is shredding it up? Oh, freak. Some good stuff, guys. Two legs down. stuff is just delicious, ain't it? Oh, yep, yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh. Let's get more of this oil out. See all that oil? So I know she's juicy. Mm. This thing has a lot of meat on her. She's a juicy one. Break. Oh, heck no. See ants on this table. Chips. Yuca chips with chicken. Ain't bad. Mm. Not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be the last time I get this chicken because it's probably not that healthy. I can only imagine how cheap it is and everything. You know? That's my roll. To make sure the skin is wrapped around that meat, especially the tip. Mm. 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 Oh man. I wonder how much protein is in this bad boy. 8 servings. Each one is 250 calories. 400 milligrams of sodium. 19 grams of protein. Potassium, 330 milligrams. Iron, 0.6 milligrams, 4% what you need a day. I mean, it's all natural. It really shouldn't be that bad. Seems like it's all natural. Natural flavors. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Going out my hair, guys. My hair is going to be probably halfway down my back by the time I'm satisfied. Halfway down my back. Sorry if you didn't hear what I said. Yummers, yummers. Mm, 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 mm. Bro, I freaking can't like these chips, bro. These are the best chips in the freaking world. Mm. Make sure no one's watching. Me look like an idiot right now. Oh yeah. You know, guys, this is like therapy. If you just record yourself being a complete idiot, and you just post it on the internet. It's as natural as it gets. Almost in that. Looks like I'm eating a Among Us character. Being stupid is like the most natural thing, bro. Like what? You can't be more of yourself when you're being stupid. Not saying to be stupid all the time, but once in a while, you know, feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, spot over there. Oh. No. Right down that. You serious? You just threw a leaf at me, huh? Oh yeah. Well, that flesh. Oh shoot. That's him on the screen there. Just fell on my schlong. So, if you've lasted this long, comment. I lasted more than 5 minutes. Oh, sorry guys. I'm not like those guys that can make a funny joke and not laugh. I don't know if you guys find it funny or not, but you know what I'm saying. Something just like explode on my leg, bro. What the frick? Why is my leg wet? Oh yeah. No, my baby. No. Bro, I swear these, bro, these chips, bro. These chips right here, bro. So freaking good. Oh no. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff right here, guys. Look how beautiful it is today. Look how beautiful. Not as beautiful as you. Well, I'm also making a video that's more normal because if you haven't seen my other videos, they are not nearly as normal as this one, even though this one isn't very normal, but closer to normal. But go check out those videos, guys. If you are a weirdo and you like seeing other weirdos being weirdos, then, you know, then go freaking watch me be a weirdo, you know? Keep freaking getting scared that somebody's watching. ASMR with Aaron. Okay, I'm not gonna record the whole thing because, I mean, you know what? If you guys don't want to watch it anymore, you guys can click off. Well, I'm just gonna keep recording just in case people still are interested. So, guys, how's everything been with y'all, guys? How has life been treating you guys? I hope it's been treating you guys real nicely. I hope any little things that's going on in your head that one day you'll figure it all out. You'll understand it. You know? God's gonna be there for you. God's gonna be there for you guys. Make sure you know, you're enjoying this life, guys, because, you know, it's the only one. It's the only one. Sometimes, guys, if you get yourself in a little rut, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to get out of there. But if you're trying, you will. So get out. If you're trying. Just keep on every day. Every day. Keep trying. You're trying to grow, trying to get better. Even if you're having a good time right now. Even if you're chilling. It could get better. Even if you are chilling, you know. Improve. What's the point of living, guys, if, you know, we want to say the same? You know what I'm saying? Like, when you were a baby, you ain't know nothing. All you knew as a baby was that there are things you could learn. That's the only thing you knew. So that's what you did. And that's what grew you up to what you are today. And what you know today. And, there are always things that you will figure out as you didn't know. There are things that you will see that you've never seen before. So, while let's say there are certain things you just don't have knowledge of yet, you know, just be patient, because it will come to you. You know, it will eventually come to you, and eventually, you know, you'll learn that thing, and then the next challenge will come. There's always going to be a challenge. It's just human nature. The human body works in such a way that we keep getting better. It don't matter how bad we are, every day we get better. It doesn't matter how fast the other person's going versus you. Or not even how fast. Because sometimes we don't even know we're growing. And we are. So feel those sad feelings. Feel those bad feelings. Feel those good feelings when they come. Whatever feeling you got, feel it. So that next time it comes around, or you feel it again, you'll be like, man, I felt this so many times. I already know how this works. You gotta know your enemy, guys. If you don't, then, you know, you're gonna lose. You're gonna fail. You're gonna mess up. Your enemy is negative, evil, bad things. That's your enemy. Everybody's enemy. Really, all it is the devil. That's the real enemy. Sometimes it may seem like it's just life throwing problems at you, but you know, but sometimes it could be the real bad enemy, the devil, coming for you because he thinks you're doing too good. So comes after you. Tries to bring you down. Sometimes you might succeed. It don't matter. Oh, it really don't matter. What he succeeds, he takes you down. He's just gonna sit down. You ain't gonna just sit down. You're gonna stand back up. You're gonna say, okay, he took me down like that last time. So now when that comes, I'm ready for it this time. He might try and do something else. Get knocked down again, get back up. Now you know two things. Two. Now you got a third time a different way. Now you know 3 ways that you got knocked down. Eventually, you will have so much defense to whatever attacks that come your way that eventually you'll reach a point to where you can't be put down. Because you've already seen all the ways that you get put down. And then if you wind up getting put down again somehow, after you already did all that, good. Because now you're going to know even another one. And guys, we will forever keep growing. Our strength and our knowledge and our spirit, it only gets stronger. We only get stronger. So, if you're in a situation where you feel like you don't got hope or something like that, like, guys, you know, you should have more than hope. I mean that in any situation you're in, no matter how bad. Pray so one that made this earth, guys. This earth did not come from no rocks hitting each other. This earth did not come from a little mini explosion between the rocks. You telling me I came from a rock? That's how I was eventually created. Because 2 rocks collided, and I like after millions of years, 2 rocks collided, ended up being me. Like what? Like, come on, guys. Some guys will be like, oh, well, actually, well, it happened because. Have a good time in hell, buddy. These ants are really liking my freaking crumbs. Yeah, y'all gonna die once I'm done with this. Yeah, making a YouTube video. My ASMR channel.
I'm gonna go to the store because I need some white shirts.
Oh yeah.
Some white tight ones. Because you guys only got big and medium. I wear small. You think your mom wouldn't care if I go to the store real quick?
Nah, she don't care.
Hello. Hello.
That's my friend Jaden Hamilton. I think it's a good time to end, guys. It's been half an hour. Have a good time, guys. This is probably one of the rare occasions where I'll make a normal video. Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay, guys? Catch you later. Bye.